Amiya Nimai is a very large deity of Lord Caitanya on his own. He is situated about 100 meters past the Sonagaranga Temple on the way to Govindaji. This temple is number 55 on our map. He was first worshipped in Bengal many years ago, and around the end of the 19th century, he came to the care of a devotee in the line of Gopal Bhatta Goswami, Sarvabhauma Madhusudana Goswami, a member of one of the Goswami families of the Radharaman Temple in Vrindavan. Later, he was moved from Bengal to Vraja, and for some time was worshipped in a room by the Rasamandala in front of the Radharaman Temple. But then more recently, he was installed in his own temple here.